So you've been asking what's new about the new platform, Cutmaster Plus 30, 50, 70. Well, really, everything's new. So you've got the obvious of the new case on the outside, brand new TFT, huge single button control knob, quick disconnects. I mean, the list goes on, right? It's all new. Inside is also brand new. So I'm going to turn this machine off. I'm going to turn this sideways, and I've opened up the cover. I want to reveal this. So inside, you've got a beautiful design on the inside of the system. We paid attention to every detail, okay? Everything from how it's mounted in the system, to the case, to how the coolant flows through, cooling air flows through it, how the compressed air flows through the machine. We've paid attention to every detail. In addition, protecting your sensitive electronics on the inside. Old machines used to do it in a pretty rudimentary way with sheets of plastic and stuff. We didn't want to do that. Let's do it a modern, exciting way, right? So that's what we did. The engineers had a ton of fun with it. I know I had a ton of fun working with them as we redesigned this machine from bottom to top, right? So you're going to love the results that you see out of the machine. All of this, when it comes to beautiful design, you know when something's engineered well, it operates that much better. We've thought through those details. You're going to love this machine. Go check it out at a distributor today.